Are you tired of watching the market's biggest names barely budge, while hidden opportunities fly under the radar? Today, I'm sharing 7 incredibly undervalued stocks, each flashing double-digit upside potential that Wall Street might be overlooking. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which pharmaceutical and biotech giants are primed for explosive growth. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have AbbVie Inc., ticker ABBV. This global biopharmaceutical powerhouse dominates in immunology, oncology, and neuroscience. While Bank of America recently lowered its price target, HSBC bullishly upgraded ABBV to a buy, raising their target to $265, highlighting a successful transition phase. ABBV is masterfully navigating the post-Humira era, with its immunology successors, Skyrizi and Rinvoq, delivering spectacular results. In Q3 2025, these two drugs alone generated over 40% combined sales growth, solidifying their market dominance. Beyond immunology, AbbVie's neuroscience portfolio is rapidly becoming a formidable second growth engine, achieving an impressive 19.6% operational growth, fueled by Vraylar, Botox Therapeutic, and its robust migraine franchise. Financially, AbbVie is robust. Q3 2025 adjusted EPS of $1.86 handily beat forecasts, and revenues of $15.8 billion reflected high single-digit growth. This led management to raise their 2025 guidance for the third time this year, projecting $60.9 billion in revenue. They've also boosted their quarterly dividend by 5.5%, extending a 13-year streak. While Humira erosion and underperforming aesthetics remain challenges, with nearly 90 pipeline programs and strategic acquisitions, AbbVie is poised for high single-digit revenue growth through 2029. This is a powerful biopharma with substantial upside. At number 6, Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO, the Danish pharmaceutical giant owning the diabetes and obesity markets. While UBS maintained a cautious neutral rating, NVO's product pipeline promises an astounding 57.6% average analyst upside potential. Novo Nordisk boasts an unparalleled portfolio of GLP-1 receptor agonists, including Ozempic, Wegovy, and Rybelsus, driving incredible growth. In Q4 2024, the company reported an impressive 20.9% revenue growth and an industry-leading 84.26% gross profit margin. This financial strength is underscored by 37 consecutive years of dividend payments. A major catalyst is the European Medicines Agency's positive opinion for a higher 7.2 mg dose of Wegovy, demonstrating significantly greater weight loss. If approved, this could launch in early 2026, further cementing Wegovy's dominance. Novo Nordisk's pipeline extends further with an oral semaglutide 25 mg pill showing 16.6% average weight loss. The recent label expansion of Wegovy for MASH treatment could add an additional $1.9 billion in peak annual revenue. While competition from Eli Lilly, supply constraints, and restructuring present headwinds, Novo Nordisk's robust R&D, extensive patent portfolio, and attractive PE ratio of 15.34 suggests significant undervaluation and explosive future potential. Sliding into our 5th spot is Biogen Inc., ticker BIIB, a leading American biotech focused on pioneering treatments for complex neurological diseases. Despite a recent downgrade by HSBC due to declining royalty streams, Biogen exhibits a substantial average analyst upside potential of 36.8%, signaling strong belief in its turnaround story. Biogen is actively reshaping its portfolio, transitioning from its mature multiple sclerosis franchise towards newer launches like Leqembi for Alzheimer's, Skyclarys for Friedreich's ataxia, and Zurzuvae for postpartum depression. In Q3 2025, these launch products delivered a remarkable $257 million in revenue, a 67% year-over-year surge, effectively offsetting declines from legacy drugs. Total Q3 2025 revenue grew 3% year-over-year to $2.53 billion, exceeding analyst expectations. Leqembi, developed with Eisai, is gaining critical market access, recently included in China's Commercial Insurance Innovative Drug List for 2026. New data presented at CTAD 2025 also underscored Leqembi's sustained benefits in early Alzheimer's. Biogen's pipeline is robust, featuring 10 Phase 3 or Phase 3 ready programs. Despite competitive pressures and royalty stream uncertainties, Biogen's strong free cash flow generation of $1.2 billion in Q3 2025 and its strategic pivot towards high-growth areas position it for a compelling resurgence. This company is reestablishing its growth narrative. Coming in at number 4, we have Merck Co, Incorporated, ticker MRK, a global healthcare powerhouse, with an average analyst target of $110.04. This stock presents a compelling 23.5% upside potential. HSBC maintains a strong buy rating with a $120 target, reflecting high confidence. Merck's financial performance in Q3 2025 was robust, with EPS of $2.58 easily surpassing forecasts and revenue hitting $17.28 billion, beating expectations. At the heart of Merck's dominance is its blockbuster oncology drug, Keytruda, which generated an astounding $8.1 billion in Q3 2025, an 8% year-over-year increase, with strong uptake in metastatic and early-stage cancers. The company's pipeline is a force, boasting approximately 80 phase 3 trials. A major recent catalyst is the European Medicines Agency's positive opinion for an expanded indication for Winrevair for pulmonary arterial hypertension, with a final EU decision expected in the first quarter of 2026. Merck is also strategically expanding through acquisitions, like Verona Pharma, bringing Autovera, a first-in-class COPD treatment. While facing challenges such as upcoming patent expirations, Merck's diversified portfolio, robust R&D, and planned investments exceeding $70 billion paint a picture of sustained growth. Its attractive P/E ratio of 13.08, combined with 15 consecutive years of dividend increases, make it a steadfast, undervalued opportunity. Our number 3 pick is Bristol Myers Squibb Company, ticker BMY, a multinational biopharmaceutical company at the forefront of oncology, hematology, and immunology. Guggenheim recently upgraded BMY to a buy, with a new price target of $62, reflecting renewed confidence and an impressive 21.5% average analyst upside potential. BMY's Q3 2025 financial performance was strong, with EPS of $1.63 handily beating forecasts and revenues of $12.2 billion exceeding expectations, leading to a full-year revenue guidance raise. The company's growth portfolio, featuring key assets like Opdivo, Breyanzi, Reblozyl, and Camzyos, surged an impressive 17% year-over-year, with several products now annualizing over $1 billion. A significant recent catalyst was the US FDA granting priority review to BMY's supplemental biologics license application for Opdivo in combination with chemotherapy for classical Hodgkin lymphoma, accelerating market potential. BMY's pipeline is robust, with numerous data readouts expected, including 7 new molecular entities. Strategic acquisitions like Orbital Therapeutics are strengthening its cell therapy franchise. While BMY faces patent expirations for blockbusters like Eliquis and Opdivo, its robust cash flow generation of $6.3 billion in Q3, coupled with $1 billion in net savings, positions the company to navigate headwinds effectively. Bristol Myers Squibb is a resilient giant, actively reshaping its future with a strong growth portfolio. Taking our number 2 spot is Pfizer Inc., ticker PFE, an American multinational pharmaceutical corporation. Despite Morgan Stanley maintaining a hold rating, the average analyst target of $28.62 still implies a significant 22.3% upside potential for this healthcare behemoth. Pfizer is navigating a critical transition beyond its COVID-19 revenue peaks, facing an impending patent cliff that could impact $17 to $18 billion in annual revenues. Yet Q3 2025 adjusted EPS of $0.87 significantly exceeded forecasts by over 31%, reflecting impressive profitability despite COVID-19-related revenue declines. Non-COVID products, however, showed a robust 4% operational growth. A key recent development demonstrating pipeline strength was the positive Phase 3 clinical results for Tukysa, acquired through the Seagen acquisition, extending progression-free survival in HER2-positive breast cancer patients. Strategically, Pfizer is aggressively pursuing acquisitions, including the $10 billion Metsera deal to enter the high-growth obesity market. With a market capitalization of $146 billion and an impressive 7% dividend yield, backed by 15 consecutive years of dividend increases, Pfizer is committed to shareholder returns. The company is implementing comprehensive cost optimization strategies, targeting $7.7 billion in net savings by 2027. While patent cliff and pricing pressures are real, Pfizer's strong financials and strategic actions make it an undervalued dividend powerhouse with substantial recovery potential. And finally, our number one most undervalued stock with double-digit potential is Lantheus Holdings, Incorporated, ticker LNTH. Truist Securities recently upgraded LNTH from hold to buy with an $80 price target, signaling their belief that current valuations significantly underrate the company's future revenue and earnings potential, giving Lantheus a staggering 43.0% average analyst upside potential. Lantheus is a leading radiopharmaceutical company, strategically positioned in medical imaging and precision diagnostics for cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. While its flagship Pylarify, an imaging agent for prostate cancer, faced some pricing pressures in Q3 2025, its other core product, Definity, continues to deliver consistent growth of over 6% year-over-year. The company is aggressively diversifying. A major growth catalyst is the FDA acceptance of the new drug application for MK-6240, an investigational PET imaging agent for detecting tau pathology in Alzheimer's disease. Lantheus projects the U.S. Alzheimer's radiodiagnostic market could reach over $1.5 billion by 2030, presenting an enormous opportunity. Additionally, a new F-18 Pakistan Sugar Mills Association PET formulation in 2026 could further boost the Pylarify franchise. Despite recent headwinds like pricing pressures and a leadership transition, Lantheus maintains robust financials, boasting a 63.5% gross profit margin in Q3 2025. Truist's upgrade reflects anticipated profit re-acceleration into late 2025 and beyond. With its innovative pipeline and strong market positioning, Lantheus is a hidden gem with explosive upside. When we compare these 7 giants side by side, a clear picture emerges. Starting with current prices, Pfizer offers the most accessible entry point at just $24.98, making it a compelling option for value-conscious investors, followed by Novo Nordisk at $50.88 and Bristol Myers Squibb at $53.21. On the higher end, AbbVie sits at $228.74, reflecting its established market dominance. In terms of sheer scale, AbbVie commands the largest market cap at a staggering $405.3 billion, with Merck and Pfizer also being multi-hundred billion dollar entities. Contrast this with Lantheus Holdings, a much smaller player at $4.46 billion, offering potentially more agile growth and higher upside percentage. Revenue figures tell a similar story of scale. Merck leads with $64.23 billion, closely followed by Pfizer at $62.78 billion and AbbVie at $59.64 billion. Lantheus, while smaller, still pulls in a respectable $1.52 billion, impressive for its market cap. Now, let's talk profitability, starting with gross margins. Novo Nordisk stands out with an exceptional 83.4% gross margin, a testament to its highly valuable, patented diabetes and obesity treatments. Merck and Biogen also demonstrate robust efficiency with margins in the high 70s. Lantheus, at 62.2%, is solid for a specialized radiopharmaceutical company. For income investors, dividends are key. Pfizer leads with an incredible 6.8% dividend yield, making it an attractive choice for those seeking both value and income. Bristol Myers Squibb isn't far behind at 4.7%, and Merck and AbbVie also offer solid yields above 3%. Biogen and Lantheus, as companies in more significant growth or transition phases, currently do not offer a dividend, choosing to reinvest earnings. Finally, earnings per share. Biogen leads this metric with a strong $11 per share, followed by Merck at $7.57 per share and Novo Nordisk at $3.67 per share. Pfizer, despite its lower current price, delivers a respectable $1.73 EPS, indicating solid underlying profitability even during its transition. So these are 7 incredibly undervalued stocks in the pharmaceutical and biotech sectors, each with compelling catalysts and double-digit upside potential. Which of these 7 undervalued stocks do you believe has the strongest potential for a breakout, and why? Drop your insights and any other undervalued picks in the comments section below. And if you're hungry for even more high-growth opportunities, Don't miss our video right here on 5 must-watch AI stocks that could skyrocket soon.